Working smarter, not harder, is what I'm trying to do with this new tutorial that I'm going to show you. I always came up with the problem that when I updated a worksheet or something, then I had to go back and re-upload the newest version to my website and go back and forth. Or anytime I created a new worksheet, I was uploading it to my website. That took a lot of time and effort on my part. And then once I started doing worksheets through Google Docs, I found a way to have always the most current version uploaded on my website. So what I'm going to show you here is this is my web page, and this is my worksheets, say for 7th grade, and it automatically connects to my Google Docs account where parents can look at this, they can pick whatever they want, students can look at this and go through that whole thing. Anytime I change any of these in Google Docs, it automatically changes on my website. So my goal again is to work smarter, not harder, and get this link to work. Well, it's a little bit of setup, but then it takes care of all of your problems with having to update multiple items. So I'm going to flip over to a different web browser here just for a minute so that you can see what I'm doing on the back side. So again, this is my website. In my Google Docs account, what I've done is I've created a new folder basically here. So these are all my folders on the left hand side. I created a new one called Website Worksheets under all my different areas. I also have one underneath my 8th grade area. 8th grade website worksheets, there's my 7th grade website worksheets. When I create that folder, I can then add all of the documents that I want to appear on my website. So an example of this is if I go to, let's say safety here. I want to get my general shop safety test or my general shop safety put onto my website. I would drag this item into this folder. And right there's my general shop safety. Now it's in that folder. So now that automatically is going to my website. Here is the link to doing it. So on website worksheets here, I click share and share, and it brings up my sharing screen. On the first one here, yours is going to say private. What you want to do is turn this to public on the web, and you want to put anyone with the link, or public on the web, anyone can find it. You make sure do not allow them to edit. So this is only going to let them view. So I'm going to hit save, and it's going to generate this link to share. So this is the link to that folder. So I'm going to highlight it, right click, and copy that link. And I can get out of here now. I'm going to go back to my teacher page. And I want to add as a sub page on my 7th grade page. So I'm going to hit add sub page. My page title is going to be worksheets or handouts. Page order is going to be fine. And then instead of a typical page, I'm going to do go to page. And I'm going to hit continue. And it's going to ask me for the URL. I'm going to right click in there and hit paste. Just added that. Page starts and ends whenever you want. And we're going to hit save. Now, if I go back to my other web browser, I go to 7th grade, I go to refresh that page. Right there's my handouts folder that I put. on there, and you can see General Shop Safety, that new one that I just added, is actually on there. So anytime in my Google Docs account I add something to that, it automatically puts it on my website. Anytime I take something out of here, it takes it off my website. Anytime I'm in here, if I'm in this one and I change one of these things, like my syllabus, say this year I want to just update it so it says the year right, I can change anything in here and it's going to automatically update it on my website. So hopefully this gives you a little start to working smarter, not harder, and giving you a way that you can link your Google Docs account to your website and easily add your resources that you use in your class to your website without going in there uploading files all the time.